Why default methods have been introduced in Java? The default methods have been added in Java version 8. Since then, interfaces can provide an implementation of the methods through default keyword. But why it has been introduced? Let's understand it easily. The primary motivation was to support lambdas in collections framework. Let me take an example of phoneach method. Suppose they want to add phoneach in each collection class. How would they add phoneach in each collection class? If they write phoneach in each collection class, then there might be a scenario where same code could be duplicated. But actually they want to add a new method without impacting, or more specifically I can say without changing the implementation class. If they make a separate class, let me call it phoneach element just for the example, and write phoneach there and make each concrete collection class its subclass, then it would avoid code duplication. However, it would require extends phoneach element in each concrete collection class. So ultimately it is a change in concrete collection or implementation class. If they write phoneach as an abstract method in any parent interface, then we need to override phoneach in each concrete collection class. The disadvantage of this approach is we need to override phoneach in each collection class even if any particular class don't need it. The moral of the story is, if everything was written by thinking thoroughly, but in future if requirement changes, then there wasn't any way to add methods in an interface without impacting the implementation. So to support backward compatibility, they considered default method as a feature, and that's why it has been introduced.